Hello, well, today I'm going to talk about how to handle truth. Because to handle truth, we need a balanced state of mind, a very calm and tranquil state of mind, which is very, very important, right? And for that, it is first important to understand that what are our desires? What do we think about truth? Are we ready to accept it? Or it is entering our minds, it is entering our lives, it is entering our hearts as an uninvited guest. So first of all, we need to understand that truth is the power, truth is the cosmic law, truth is God. That's one. So we need not run away from it. That's one. Now I'm going to talk about three kinds of people, right? और तीन तरीके के लोग या ये तीन तरीके के थॉट जो हर इंसान के अंदर आ सकते हैं. There's nothing strange about it. For example, कोई चाहता है कि सच से कभी उसका सामना ना हो. कोई व्यक्ति चाहता है हम सच को हमेशा छुपा के रखें. कोई व्यक्ति चाहता है कि हर कीमत पर एट एनी कॉस्ट आई शुड नो द ट्रूथ, राइट? एंड एक लास्ट चीज़ है जो हमारे हाथ या थॉट से दूर है, एंड दैट इज़ द कॉस्मिक लॉ, दैट इज़ द डिवाइन जस्टिस, दैट इज़ व्हाट द यूनिवर्स वांट्स एंड व्हेन इट वांट्स इट टू हैपन, राइट? सो in all the situations, I believe whether we want it or we do not want it, truth is something which is always there. You know, I can shut the doors of my house and I can just help myself, you know, keeping myself happy that sun hasn't risen outside, right? And it's dead dark outside. But the fact doesn't change that the sun has risen, it's the daytime, right? So that ways, so I believe that first of all, truth is always there, right? Whether we accept or whether we do not accept it. The second important thing is our belief system has nothing to do with the truth because it stands as an independent variable. It is there. I mean, I may believe in it, I may not believe in it, I may get misled by somebody, I may get swayed by somebody's talk or somebody's manipulation or somebody's gossip, whatever it is, but then the truth is always there. So first of all, we are tall in our thoughts, we are very powerful in our thoughts when we are positive about it. But the moment the negativity starts at the back of our mind, that is the time when without our realization, somewhere our stature, you know, invisibly our stature, it begins to recede. So truth is that much important. Now, another important thing is the intentions, right? Many a times it happens that innocently we are unaware of something. Very innocently, we do not know what is, like for example, I do not know what is happening at my back. You do not know what is happening at your back. You are keeping your thoughts, your goodness, your happy spirits absolutely, you know, happy, joyful, everything is there. You are cool about the things, but I do not know what is happening at my back. So that is, I would say, innocent unawareness of the dark facts which are happening at my back. Now, as I said, truth has to be faced one day, okay? Truth has to be faced one day. Now, how to handle the truth and how to face it? I believe that the simplest of all the philosophy, as far as my experience in life goes, I believe that simplicity and acceptance of the things, it's the best and the rightest approach. Secondly, if you are unaware of something and if your intentions were okay, if you are unaware, if someone is being kept in dark, so I think then you will be strong enough, automatically you will be strong enough to face the truth. And the third important thing, you do not shy away from the truth. That is another thing, because, and one more thing, like we always ask ourselves, you know, कि हम हमेशा अपने आप से ये बात करते हैं या पूछते हैं कि अरे जो चीज़ अभी हुई है वो बहुत पहले हो जानी चाहिए थी, जो पहले हुई है वो उससे पहले हो जानी चाहिए थी. I mean, we want to decide when a particular thing should happen and it doesn't happen because man proposes and God disposes. Why? Because there is a particular right, perfect time for everything in this universe to happen. So maybe एक truth जो आज से let's say 10 साल पहले एक व्यक्ति को पता चले, maybe उस समय वो उसको handle करने के वो उतना mature या wise ना हो, right? It's just like एक मम्मी डैडी हैं, वो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं और ये बच्चा सुन रहा है, जस्ट 15 years of age। उसके मम्मी डैडी ये बताते हैं कि भाई दैट किड इज़ अ अडॉप्टेड किड, राइट। एंड वो बच्चा सुन लेता है, वो अभी तक सोच रहा है दे आर माई पेरेंट्स, यू नो, माई मामा हैज़ गिवन मी बर्थ, right? Now 15 years kid, I'm not talking about the exceptions, the wisdom is always there, but I always take it as an exceptional rule, but उस बच्चे के ऊपर क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा? ऑब्वियसली मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में उस बच्चे का एक नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट होगा उस बच्चे पर। लेकिन यही बच्चा अगर लेट्स से 35 years का है और तब उसको वो चीज़ पता चलती है, शॉक बड़ा है कंपैरेटिवली बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स, ये बहुत लंबा गैप है, तो वो शॉक ज़्यादा है। बट एट द सेम टाइम विद द मेच्योरिटी ऑफ द एज, विद द मेच्योरिटी ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस, विद द मेच्योरिटी टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, क्योंकि इस समय 35 years में वो बच्चा ये सोच सकता है जो बड़ा हुआ है कि अच्छा अगर ये रियलिटी है भी तो मम्मी डैडी डिड सो मच फॉर मी, दे नेवर मेड मी रियलाइज दैट आई एम द अडॉप्टेड किड। So I believe when truth comes to your life, it should be taken as a blessing of Almighty, because truth is another name of God. God loves you, that is why। दो चीज़ें हैं, जो सच्चा आदमी है और उसके सामने सच आ रहा है, ये बहुत बड़ा उसके लिए ब्लेसिंग है। लेकिन जो झूठा व्यक्ति है और उसके सामने भी सच आ रहा है, तो वो एक चांस है बाय द नेचर, बाय द कॉस्मॉस, टू मेंड योर वेज, राइट, टू गो फॉर रियलाइजेशन एंड to seek forgiveness, not from anybody, but from your own self, because whatever has been done, it can never be left undone, right? For example, if we gossip about someone, if we try to tarnish somebody's image, now उसका इम्पैक्ट कितना होगा वो इस बात पर डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस इंटेंसिटी से किया गया, कितने लोगों से किया गया, कितने समय तक किया गया। सो ऑब्वियसली जो ट्रूथ बहुत पहले आ जाना चाहिए था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो बहुत दिन बाद आ रहा है, मे बी बिकॉज उसकी इंटेंसिटी हम ही ने डिसाइड की है, राइट। सो वी नीड टू बी वेरी बैलेंस्ड व्हेन वी आर एक्सेप्टिंग द ट्रूथ। We should accept it with lot of tranquility, as I said, calm state of mind, that is very, very important. And we shouldn't behave in a way, because again if we'll try to hide things, to polish the things, then it is rather going to prove our reality, you know, even in a more confirmed manner or a way. It's just like, and truth has to come. One day it has to come before us. Have you ever seen a night which has not ended, or which has not come to an end with a beautiful sunrise? So the truth is like that. And if suppose in order to hide that sunrise, if suppose in the morning I start lighting up the candles, cut, कि नहीं sunrise किसी को नहीं दिखे, sunrise किसी को नहीं दिखे, it is going to dent our position. Truth is the power, truth is the cosmic law, truth is God.